Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to get into these nails right here. I'm going to start off with the easy peel method, but I just want to show you guys these gel tips that I will be using. I just got them off of Amazon. They are the long coffin shape nails. So I already have the nails sized up right here, and I'm gonna start off by using a little cuticle oil on all of my fingers, and then starting off with the, well, second up would be the matte top coat, so that they can easily come off of my hands when I'm done with doing this design. Just gonna rub it in, not even like on the cuticle, I'm legit like rubbing them on the nails too. So yes, doing that. Now I am going to take my matte top coat. Disclaimer: when you put your nails under the UV light, it is going to sizzle. That's the one thing that I hate about doing the matte top coat as my base. The more I do it, the more it sizzles. It's clearly a trash reaction, but at least, you know, I don't have to keep these nails on forever. I can take them off right after I finish recording this. So I'm doing this for you guys. If you have not done so already, why don't you guys click that subscribe button and show your girl some love, you know? Now I'm going to apply the tips with this Mac Art nail glue. And I'm gonna start with my pinky and work my way to my thumb. I'm not doing any prep to these because they're already matte, and they have like that, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's kind of rough already, so I don't have to prep. And also, because I'm taking these off, I'm not doing, like, you know, the proper steps, but just so you know. Now that I'm done applying these, I'm gonna set these under the lamp for about 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna go in with the base coat and apply them to all the nails, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. So I always have these kits that I get from Moda1s, and they always come with some like pasty-ish colors. And I'm like, I never use them. Maybe sometimes I do. So I thought I'd just pick a few and put them for each finger. And I'm kind of debating on what I'm gonna do with the tops. Maybe I'll try and do like different color Frenches or something. We'll see. Or a design with different colors on each one. I don't know yet. But I'm definitely going to do each finger a different color for the starter. So let me start with this one for the pinky, and I'm just gonna go down. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually liking them without any, like I like them as they are. These are kind of cute. I wonder if I put a whole bunch of stuff on them or do a design, will it ruin them? Dun dun dun. What to do? hear me out. So I was thinking, because I have so much trouble doing the chrome, I would do something that I did before, which is use this the hand hard gel, rub it in the chrome, and then do a design with that. I think it'll come out cute. All right, let's see. I'm not gonna do too much because I don't feel like being messy today. I don't even know why I'm touching powder. Powder be making me mad. Okay, I'm not gonna do too much. I'm gonna take that much. I'm just gonna see how much it like transfers over. I'm just gonna massage it. What design I'm gonna do, I don't know. We're going to wing it. I'm just gonna go in with the top coat, and then we're basically done. I feel like this would have been cute if I did like a matte top coat first and then did the snake on the top and then left it alone, but we're gonna go just with the shiny top coat because that's the alternative. All right, guys, we made it to the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like these nails. Let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.